Hi, this is Satish from Review Director. In this video, we'll be doing unboxing of Mi Pad Plus 128GB version. I have ordered this one in Lazada, Singapore, and actually this doesn't have any warranty here. This is Mi 4 Plus. You can see the logo of Mi here, and let me zoom in my camera. Yes, it is having that Snapdragon 660 processor, and they are showing like it's a full display, and it is also having the massive 8620 mAh battery. As this is Chinese version, it won't come with any Google Play Store. Let me open this one. Let's open this box. I have ordered black one, but somehow the seller managed to send me the gold because of not availability of black color. Still, it's a big device. Let me keep this one for some time aside and also check what is available inside. Sadly, they are bundling with a normal 5 hours charger. This is some paperwork. You can see there is a adapter. That means this is having some SIM support or memory card. This is a regular type C USB cable. That's it. Nothing is available in the box. Just compare this Mi Pad Plus with iPad Pro. Actually, both are having similar body in terms of display length, but this one is having the 10:6 ratio. That means you can hold this tab very conveniently when compared with iPad Pro. Let me show you the physical overview of this tablet. Backside having 13 megapixel camera, and there is no flashlight. On top it is having the 3.5mm jack, noise cancellation microphone, and I'm not sure which one is speaker, but it is having single speaker, and also this is having that type C USB adapter. And left side it is having that micro SD slot, and right side it is having volume key, toggles, as well as power button. Let me open this SIM tray. As per specification, it is not a hybrid SIM slot. It is dedicated SIM as well as an SD card. Let me boot up this device. That's a simple, quick setup. You can see this is huge tablet. That means 10 inches, but because of this aspect ratio, you can hold this one very easily. Let me quickly check the settings of this device. Go to settings. You can see here they mentioned Mi Pad 4 Plus, as well as this is having that 128GB memory. Out of 128GB, you can get 114GB as a free memory. Just go to all specs. Here you can see there is a 4GB RAM, and the recent Android security patch is 2018 8.01, and Android version is 8.1.0. That means you are getting almost the latest version. And surprisingly, this is having some fingerprint scanner come some button. Actually, this is not having the navigation buttons here. This is having screen buttons. And also Xiaomi introduced that gestures mode. We can do gestures also. Quickly let me check the camera samples. Why? Because this is having 13 MP camera. Generally we won't expect good camera in tablets, but let me check the camera of this one. This is typical MIUI camera app interface. Let me take this one. I have verified in one of the technical side, this camera having some face unlocking using some software algorithms, so you can unlock your device using this front 5 MP camera. This is a image sample. Actually this is not at all bad. Anyhow, I will be doing some camera test between Mi Pad 4 Plus and iPad Pro 10. Let me set this fingerprint also. Just go to settings, go to security, lock screen and password, add fingerprint. So for this one they require some password. Just add this fingerprint. Hopefully this is very fast. That's it. As you can see, when I touch the fingerprint, it's opening. Let me try with some wrong finger. Yes, it is working fine. That's it guys. I will do a complete review of this product in a couple of weeks. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and share these videos. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.